right, we're going to talk about the 1-3-1 Umbrella Powerplay setup today. First of all, we're going to talk about zone entry. So, assuming that the other team is sort of like this, two forwards, the person carrying the puck, there should be one person back. The person carrying the puck should protect the puck and try to find open areas, whether that's going to the hash marks and stopping, going all the way to the corner and then coming back, or going all the way behind the net is another option in finding an open area. Or if they give you the open middle, going to the middle and stopping. Because initially we want the puck to be in the middle in the umbrella setup. So let's assume that we get to here, because that's generally what happens. There are 2D drop back, got a winger here and a winger here. These people will fill in by coming here, here, probably here, and then here. So at this point, if this person comes out down to you, we want to make the move to go here, pass the puck to the D, and this D starts walking the line. This person follows their pass, like we've done for now 7 months. This person opens up here, and we try to get, ideally, this setup, where the defenders don't know what to do. We get an open point shot from the middle with 2 screeners in front. That's not standing to the side. That's not waving their stick. That's getting right in front of the goalie for a nice low shot, and then 2 people going after the rebound. That's the number one first option. Number 2 is we set the same thing up. Person's here. They pass it to here. This person cuts them off, right? And this person's on the side. At this point, this defender, or our offensive person, who's probably a defenseman, has to figure out where the open area is. If this other winger is over on that side, or other forwards on that side, and this person's open, we need to make a quick pass down to the hash marks for an immediate attack on the net. So the bumper stays there, this winger comes here. If this person steps out, winger steps down, we go to here, and then the winger can either go here for a quick one-timer or step to the front and shoot. If no one comes out to this person, which is probably going to happen because they're going to be confused, this is a walk to the front as someone comes up to get you, shoot on the net for at least a 1-person screen with a rebounder there. So those are the 2 options, and that can happen on this side as well. The other option to do is if you're coming here and you pass to here and this person starts walking down, you follow here, this person comes up to here, this person goes down. You can pass it back to this, because then we get the other team moving, and maybe we catch them way too wide from a forward perspective where you can walk down the slot. Or if they come to get you, then you can either feed here, or take a quick shot for a crash of the net. All right. Here's a couple of small items. If the puck gets dumped into the corner, the closest 2 people need to get on it quickly. It may be the bumper. It's definitely the low person. The bumper, who's the person in the hash marks area, is probably going to be the second, but this person could also be. If this person goes into support and we get 2 on puck, this person has to come over here. This person comes to the middle. Hopefully we get control of it. We can walk it back out. We pass it here. This person walks, you follow your pass. Everyone slides over. We reset. This person gets to the front of the net. Super easy. However, if they get it out and start skating it and we have 2 people behind the puck, that's when this person needs to become F3 and hustle their butt off, because this person's coming back, this person's trying to keep it in, and we support puck that way. So if it gets chipped off the boards, they can keep it in, always have someone back. All right. Another option, which is the final option we'll go over today, is we get it set up here, and these people get, so this person is here, and this person comes up here. What we could do is we go here. The minute this person walks out, the bumper slides just a smidge, and we go here for a quick one-timer. So it's hash, bumper, shot. It's got to be 2 good passes, very accurate, but that's the one. So to reset, we want to get puck possession in the zone, right? So let's just see this person's coming in. At this point, this person needs to go down to get low. This person needs to get to the bumper, and this person needs to get here. So if we pass to here, we follow our pass up, this person walks, we get what amounts to this kind of a setup. If they don't pressure us, this is exactly what we want. We have a 2-person screen, a middle shot, not from the boards. If they do pressure us, we slide it to whichever side the winger isn't. So if this person comes to you from this side, you pass to that side to try to get that open area where you don't have a second winger there. Hopefully that helps. See everybody tonight.